Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to import data from Trello to ClickUp. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just started using ClickUp, but you're coming over from Trello. How do you actually take all your data from Trello and bring it over to ClickUp? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is that on the upper right-hand corner, you're going to click on your profile icon. Then click on Settings, and then from here, you're going to click on Import/Exports. Now from here, you want to scroll all the way down till you find Trello. Click on Trello, and then it's going to prompt you to log into Trello if you're not already logged in. So by logging in, simply just follow the on-screen prompts so that you can connect Trello with ClickUp. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and import your data from Trello to ClickUp. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.